partner Carmino Costa है.
किधर किधर?
From Mapsa. From Mapsa and the mine is and it is 8 kilometers away from the dumping site. Dumping site is in Lake Baguram and Khodiyam. And they have acquired government land from other rights holder as surface rights. By way of surface rights, they have done some agreement with notary and advocate, and they have acquired only one survey number of 53,000 square meters has been allotted by Revenue Department of Goa government to mining company to dump waste, OB waste. Only 53,000 square meters. And now they have acquired a recaptured area of 5 to 6 lakh square meters.
5 lakh square feet.
5 to 6 lakh square meters. 50
Beyond
to 60 hectares of land. In the present 5 years, from 2001 to 2005, till 2000, another area was active. It is about 25 to 30 hectares. And now they are going to increase their production to 5 million tons. It is written in the mining plan. And they are requiring another 50 hectares of land from Khodiyam village. They have given survey numbers, everything. They are going to dump. And they will get the permission from the IBM. IBM approves the mining plan. But in the letter of approval they say any area beyond mining lease is subject to permission from every concerned authority, society, and necessary steps should be taken to protect the environment at large.
It is just writing. They are doing everything in that.
In the EC clearance, they have stated that the dump will be of 30 meters height and 28-degree gradient slope should be maintained. But the height of the dump is 80 to 90 meters.
The slope is 45 degrees.
Yeah. More than 80 to
55
Big.
more than that in go.
Very big slope. Another mountain they are creating. One mountain created, another mountain they are creating.
Likewise, they are going deep, 90 meters.
Creating mountains of happiness.
Yes, it is they are doing it.
75 to 80% is government land.
Yeah.
And 25 to 30% is private land, which is clear title property, which is leased out. If anyone leases a particular property which is clear title, then company and the one who has entered into agreement gets money. Who is adjacent to that survey number becomes the sufferer.
Yes.
And he is sufferer permanently because topography of that land changes. Huge mountain is created there, and he is in tension, he is under trauma, everything.
No, but one question is there.
No
If they are dumping outside the lease, whether they have taken environment clearance for that? That environment clearance is required, no?
In the EC report, they have stated there that they will be dumping 8 kilometers away from the mining lease area.
No, but if it is there, they are doing 3 kilometers away, they have to make an environmental clearance there also for that point.
That was discussed.
If it is more than 5 hectares.
Yeah. It is area is 62 hectares and they want to mine all that 62 hectares of the land.
That entire mining pit is mineralized, they are saying in that EIA report.
No, see, this is environmental clearance now, which is not taken for that spot, for dumping.
Yes.
So you can go for NGT for that, because it is coming under the NGT now.
My problem is, the essential problem is that if they are taking so much land beyond the area which they are not mentioning in the EIA, how is that permissible?
Not permissible, that is what I say, that is the point.
Same thing,
So, they are doing it without environmental clearance.
No, because see, if they are, आप जो बता रहे हैं, अगर इन्होंने बताते हैं कि हमको माइनिंग के लिए 100 हेक्टेयर चाहिए, that means all your activities are
should be within that 100, yes.
How can you then take 100 hectares more in a private land, which is not mentioned in the EI report, under this one?
That is, it means that point, no environmental clearance is there for dumping. See, if it is more than 5 hectares,
instances होंगे ऐसे.
60 to 70% of the mining is in this
100%. अच्छा, has this been raised before Shah Commission and all?
Shah Commission के ऊपर में दिया पूरा. गूगल इमेजेस के साथ में सब.
पर इस इशू को अभी तक हाई कोर्ट में क्या कभी?
कोई नहीं गया.
हम गए,
कोई नहीं गया है, कोई नहीं गया है.
एक डिसीजन दिया है हाई कोर्ट ने, वो भी 2003
गए थे.
हाँ गए थे.
क्या बोला?
एडवाइस ना.
रिबेलो ने जजमेंट पास किया है और क्लियर कट 10 डायरेक्शंस दिया है. उसमें नो फर्दर डंपिंग शुड बी मेड ऑन द करंट डंप. and if any further area is acquired, then necessary permission from should be or shall be obtained from the necessary authorities.
ये दिया है,
दिया है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ प्रोसीजरल फॉर्मेट नहीं है.
कोई बात नहीं, वो ठीक है. You give me that order.
It is there. It is there.
It is there. देखिए, तो इसमें जो है, जो डंपिंग वाला में है, इसमें तो कोई नया रिसर्च नहीं करना है.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है.
इसको तो हम ही कर सकते हैं.
वो तो
स्ट्रेट वे कर सकते हैं.
तो अच्छा, नहीं, एक चीज है, ये जो डंपिंग वाले में है, जरूरी नहीं कि हम सभी को काउंट कवर करें, राइट? हम कुछ एग्जांपल देके शुरू करें.
हाँ, यस, है ना, सफिशिएंट.
क्योंकि कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव लिस्टिंग तो जरूरी नहीं है.
No,
एक से भी शुरू होता है तो बाकी में भी इम्पैक्ट करेगा.
affect other, it will affect automatically. If there is a decision.
लंबाई जो है वेस्ट की, रिजेक्शन की, it is 1.3 किलोमीटर. 1.3 किलोमीटर इट हैज
Length.
कंटीन्यूअस.
फोटो वगैरह,
फोटो भी सब है मेरे पेन ड्राइव में है मेरे.
आप लोग को ईमेल कर दीजिएगा.
ठीक है.
You have to go
इंक्रीज करते जा रहे हैं.
without environmental clearance. This activity is done without environmental clearance. That is the way.
Because see, number one जो fact है कि the clearance granted to the mine should be also revoked for concealment of information.
Yeah, yes.
उनको वही बोला था.
That is subsequent.
EC should be revoked.
या अंडर वो इरिगेशन एक्ट. कोई बात नहीं, ये तो इरिगेशन बोला, हमको कोई भी लॉ में हो जाए.
और एक नाला डाइवर्ट किया है उन्होंने, एक नाला चेक डैम सेटलिंग पॉइंट.
नाला डाइवर्ट किया है ना.